In this tutorial we will learn how to find RFQs listed by a specific contract officer DLA DIBBS. Navigate to the DLA RFQs board. Select the filter option. Create a new group by clicking Add Group. Then select Contract Officer Name option. Choose Contains option here. Do the filter by name. Add another filter. Choose Contract Officer Email. Again choose Contains option. Now do the filter by email. And change type to OR. Apply the selected filters to your search. We can now see the filtered results. You can also save your search as a new view by clicking on Save button. Set a name to your new view. Click Save and it will save this filtered list as a new view.